So once again, welcome friends. I'm here to share with you something very, very important and something very dear to my heart. And this is something called Training 4.0. You know, we are all passing through a very severe crisis caused by this COVID pandemic. And many people think that there is no light at the end of the tunnel yet. But in my humble opinion, we are very close to normalcy in the sense that already industries have opened and more and more will start functioning fully in a few weeks from now. What is going to be the biggest need for manufacturing industries? The biggest need is going to be to train key people in smart manufacturing. And why is this so? This is what I'll explain to you. See, when you are struggling with post-COVID issues like raw material shortages, safety protocols like social distancing, and manpower issues, and shortage of funds also, many companies may think that why is Marshall telling us to train our people at this time when we are facing all these problems? The reason for that is that it is trained people who will solve your problems. This is a very, very important point to understand, that basically the solution to all the problems of a manufacturing unit can be boiled down to four essentials. The first is reducing costs. I think nobody will disagree with me that reducing costs is one of the first problems. Second problem is improving quality, which means your rejection has to go down. Third thing is preventing machine breakdowns. And fourth thing is reducing dependence on manpower. Please understand this very carefully, that all your problems boil down to four essentials: reducing costs, improving quality, preventing machine breakdowns, and reducing dependence on manpower. Now, why should you train in smart manufacturing? Because the four pillars of smart manufacturing address these four essentials. The four essentials which I mentioned, reducing, I'll just go back because I want to make this very, very clear, that you as a manufacturing unit have four essential problems right now: reducing costs, improving quality, preventing machine breakdowns, and reducing dependence on manpower. And smart manufacturing has got four pillars, or four, you can say four elements in it, which I call pillars, which address these four problems. The first pillar is called machine monitoring, and this addresses your problem of reducing costs. The second pillar is called closed loop manufacturing with auto gauging. This addresses your second essential, which is improving quality. The third pillar is predictive maintenance, and this addresses your essential problem, preventing machine breakdowns. And fourth is affordable automation, which addresses dependence on manpower. So these four pillars of smart manufacturing address the four essential requirements of any manufacturing unit today. Now, why should you train today? Because knowledge from these four pillars is needed to be applied today more than ever. आज तक आपको जितनी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, उतनी जरूरत आपको आज है to use this knowledge to solve your problems, which is to achieve the highest possible productivity, approach zero defect quality. Because see, each of these has a tremendous impact. For example, if you achieve the highest possible productivity, you will reduce unnecessary costs. And see, I have highlighted this word unnecessary in red just to indicate the importance of this thing. That a lot of costs are unnecessary. And if you achieve the highest possible productivity by using machine monitoring, you will reduce unnecessary costs. If you approach zero defect quality, you will eliminate sinful waste. It is sinful. It is not just a loss, it is sinful. If you eliminate equipment breakdown, you will eliminate painful downtime. Downtime is very painful. Machine band padi hai. If you automate with fast ROI, you will reduce your crippling manpower dependence. This manpower dependence cripples you, cripples a company. So you need trained people so that you can apply all this knowledge. Now, how will these people, how will training 4.0, which I am offering, help you to achieve these goals? What I'm saying is send your key people for training 4.0, and these trained people will help you implement smart manufacturing in your factories and solve your problems. The 4 essential problems: reducing costs, improving quality, reducing machine breakdowns, and eliminating dependence on skilled manpower. Now, training 4.0 is a very unique course. It is a training program which has never ever been presented anywhere in the world. I'm not talking about India, anywhere in the world, this kind of a hybrid program. So, first of all, this is a program which is foundational, which means smart manufacturing foundations are laid by this program. Okay. The second thing is that this has practical training at its end. It starts with online teaching of all the 4 modules, which each of which addresses one pillar of smart manufacturing. And then at the end, you have practical training at one of the Marshall Industry 4.0 centers. So in that training, whatever you have been taught in the online classes, that you actually practice. So that practical training gives you the deep knowledge and insights, and you then you cannot forget what you have learned. So in the online training, I'm very happy to share with you that our partner is Machine Metrics USA, which is the world's leading industrial IoT platform. And I will just show you a video about Machine Metrics. So this is a very, very smart company which has huge amount of capability in the field of Industry 4.0 technologies. And they have literally tens of thousands of installations around the world. And they have the fastest rate of innovation in industrial IoT. So lastly, about the training. This online training follows a model which we call TIA. TIA stands for tutorial, interaction, and assignment. See, I'll just explain how this thing unfolds. We dedicate 1 week for each module. Let's say we are talking about the predictive maintenance module. So you will start with a 90-minute tutorial on Monday on Marshall Learning's online platform. And this 90-minute tutorial, actually this is the average time. You can take your own time. You can do it in 2 hours if you want at your own speed. And this is accessible to you right from 7 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. at night. So it's flexible. Now, after you complete the tutorial, whatever questions come to your mind, you are supposed to write those questions online in a format, certain format. Next day, Tuesday, is interaction day with coaches at 6:30 p.m. Indian time and 9 a.m. US Eastern time. For 1 hour approximately, we have an interaction through a webinar with 2 coaches, 2 or more coaches, one in US and one in India, who first of all answer your questions which you logged in the day before. And then they explain some of the finer points of that module. In this case, we are talking of predictive maintenance. So they will tell you some of the fine points, some case studies, some success stories, what happened here, how this sensor helped us to reach this conclusion and stop the machine from breaking down, and so on. Now, there are so many interesting case studies which Machine Metrics also has, including how, some machines caught fire in Mexico, and how through this predictive maintenance module, they were able to ensure that in future such a thing did not happen. So after this interaction for 60 minutes, you will then be given an assignment. Now, this is a very, very important and unique feature of Marshall's Training 4.0, that this assignment is basically self-learning. We will give you a series of problems which the trainee has to solve in the next 3 days at their own convenience, and post the answers by Friday evening. Now, just to give you an example, in the predictive maintenance module, one of the questions could be, please search or locate a suitable sensor to monitor the spindle vibrations of a machine where the speed range is between 100 and 4000 RPM. Now, this is a very, very seems like a simple question, but it needs a lot of deep thinking. It needs a lot of searching through the net or through your contacts and locating the type of sensor. Should it be digital? Should it be analog? How do we process the signal? And it does not matter whether you are a mechanical engineer, you are an industrial engineer, you are a production engineer or electrical engineer. Today, smart manufacturing means you have to know the basics of all essential fields and a lot of new emerging fields. So you may be a mechanical engineer, but you need to have this basic knowledge that what is the sensor and how analog and digital and their signals are processed, and so on and so forth. This is the whole purpose of this training program, to make you fit for industry so that you are able to deal with the real problems, deal with this huge problem which the whole world is facing because of COVID. So this is the TIA method which we use for online training. So now I'll show you a video of Machine Metrics. Sorry. So, friends, I hope you like this small introductory video of machine metrics. So, how is training 4.0 the best? I mean, I should be humble, but I have to state the facts that there has till now been no training program which comes even close to Industry 4.0. And I'll explain why. Marshall is the pioneer and is the market leader in smart manufacturing in India. We already hold 5 patents and have applied for 16 more. We have been manufacturing smart automated machines, cells, and lines since 2013. So, since 7 years, we have been actually supplying solutions, smart automated solutions to industry. So, and we have dozens and dozens of installations. So, we have all that practical experience. We are not consultants. We are not, software guys who just know the IT part. And remember, one of the most important things is in smart manufacturing, IT is the servant, not the master. A lot of people forget that the IT function assumes the whole thing, responsibility, it sits on top of everybody else. It is wrong. IT is the servant, not the master in smart manufacturing. Its purpose is to deliver the information in the way most useful. So Marshall has all the credentials to teach you because this is what we have been doing for years. Number two, we have Machine Metrics as a partner. Machine Metrics is a Boston, US based startup with a lot of funding. But they got a lot of funding in 2018, and they have a fantastic team of hardcore data scientists, analysts, and it's amazing to meet such people. And they have partnered with Marshall. We are their India partner, and on this training program also, because they felt that this is the best way in which we can prepare people inside the factories to be able to smoothly implement all these smart technologies and deliver the maximum benefit in the shortest possible time. So this is the first benefit, that the teachers are Marshall and Machine Metrics. Second, we have a hybrid model. See, today in the post-COVID world, you see so many things online. But if you have only online, then students can, even with the best teachers, they, especially in manufacturing, they cannot have that feel of the technology. That feel of the technology comes when you actually touch those screens, those machines, those robots, those gantries, those sensors, and you see, okay, this is what, and then you see it work. So you actually, you see what it is, and then you are made to make it work. Okay, fit this sensor. This is how you set it. This is how the signal comes. This is how you set the limit. Once the limit gets crossed, now you have to decide what action. Should the machine stop? Should an alarm go to somebody? Should an alert go? So this is the hybrid model, that we have online classes followed by practicals at Marshall's Industry 4.0 centers, which have absolutely world-class state-of-the-art machines to teach you. And third unique feature of Training 4.0 is the TIA model. See, one of the biggest failing of online classes is that it is too unidimensional. It is just somebody speaking, you are listening. We have the TIA model where there is a tutorial which gives you the core of the theory, which is very important, that core. After that, you post your questions, and then you have interaction with live coaches. They're sitting across you. It seems that they're sitting across the room from you, across the table from you. One coach is sitting in USA, one coach is sitting in India, and they are answering your questions. They are explaining the deeper concepts of that subject which you learned the previous day, and then further they're inviting questions, that okay, what other doubts you have, you tell us. So this interaction is very, very important for deep learning. And third part of deep learning is assignment. See, as long as you are a passive recipient of information, even tutorial and interaction, you just receive. Scientists say that whatever information you get, you forget 60% of that within 1 hour. I'm not being very exact with this, but approximately it's like this, that you forget most of it within 1 hour. Now, when you are given an assignment related to that subject and you are asked to search for information and write it, that is how that knowledge gets embedded into deep learning, which is not forgotten. So this TIA model is the third feature which makes training 4.0 the best. Now, I have a very I have a term which I use very frequently: eager implementers. What happens is that if any technology is brought into a company where people are not trained, the biggest problem is that people are either indifferent or they're scared, or sometimes they openly oppose. They say, your management has brought some new thing, I don't know what this is. And it's normal, because if any smart manufacturing comes, obviously it has to be complex. There have to be a lot of new things in that. And if you're not trained, and people come and say, okay, this is a new technology we have got, machine monitoring, and this signal will come and this will happen, and that, most people feel intimidated by that. Now, even if you have people who are very enthusiastic, but without that training, prior training, this is a very important thing, training prior to the implementation of the technology. If that training is not there, the time period and the way that technology is implemented is slow and haphazard. And that sometimes creates frustration in the system, frustration at the top level, and most initiatives die. Most new initiatives die, and they die because of human beings. They die because people, untrained people, suddenly see that technology, and either they are scared or they are intimidated or they are resentful, whatever. They are not able to implement. Therefore, it is very important that you train your people so that they become eager implementers. First of all, they will have this holistic learning. See, holistic is a very, very important word. It means complete. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The parts are universal machine monitoring, predictive maintenance, closed loop manufacturing, automation. But when you put them together, the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts. It's a very, very beautiful experience to understand all these things, even though you are going to apply only one or two of these three things, because eventually all these need to be implemented. They are all a part of smart manufacturing. And second thing, why people become eager implementers is that our deep learning method or immersive learning method, that excites the trainees. They feel that excitement that we should do something. They enjoy this whole challenge of implementing this technology. So what are the benefits to the people, the companies who are going to sponsor this? The first benefit, immediate benefit, I will categorize the benefits into two categories: short term and long term. Short term is that immediately these people can start identifying low cost smart technologies that can be installed in their factories to reduce costs, improve quality. See, a lot of companies have budget issues right now. They don't want to invest. Doesn't matter. A lot of things are already there in your factories. With little bit of knowledge, or rather this kind of complete knowledge and little bit of investment, maybe even zero investment, you can do wonders in your factory if your people are trained. And it sparks off a chain reaction. Once you start getting ideas, once you start implementing the solutions and getting success, it starts a chain reaction, and each success leads to 5 more ideas that, okay, we can do this, we can do that. And suddenly you find that you are able to, transform your lines or cells or shop floor. It's a beautiful experience. So long-term benefits, these trained people, they, even if you are not doing any capex today, eventually you have to compete with the world. These people can start looking at various options that, okay, today we don't have budget, but we want this line to be automated. Complete gantry on this line, for example. They can, because of the knowledge we'll give them, they will have the capability to talk to automation people, talk to instrumentation or sensor people, and put together some proposal and get the even the quotes from different people, so that evaluation part is done today. Now that they have time, using this time, they do the evaluation, everything is evaluated, so that 3 months, 4 months, 6 months down the line, when you want to go in for something, you already have the evaluation done. You don't start from zero. And again, these people, these eager implementers will become the nucleus around which you can start building teams. You can start building smart teams around these eager implementers who have undergone this training. So these are the benefits of this program. Now, thank you all for attending this, and I'll be answering your questions. We have some schemes which we wanted to use this platform to announce. The standard fees for this unique one in the world program, Training 4.0, are rupees 24,900 per person for up to 3 trainees from a company, and 19,900 per person for 4 or more trainees. Right. Net. Now, if you enroll by Saturday, that is 23rd May, we have some special schemes for you. So first of all, we reduce the fee. So up to 3 trainees per person is 19,900 from 24,900 earlier per person. And for 4 or more trainees, it is 15,900 per person. Plus, we are giving you another incentive, which is fast track, no cop. Now, what is fast track, no cop? This is again a beautiful idea which can deliver enormous benefits. See, no cop stands for no or low cost smart manufacturing project guided by Marshall. So to reduce the, make it more easy on the tongue, we call it no cop. So you can say it is a no cost project. So it is something that you will do in your factory, guided by Marshall after your training. So this is Marshall's commitment to guide and mentor the team of trainees to implement these projects related to any of these 4 modules. Now, this project which you do on your existing in your existing setup on existing machines with no cost or low cost, this will be guided by us, and the subject has to be one of the 4 modules. It has to be related to machine monitoring, it has to be related to predictive maintenance or zero defect production or affordable automation. You select the project, we will guide you, we will handhold you while you execute it so that you get success. And the advantage to the companies is that after the trainees get the training, immediately they will start getting the payback in the form of implementation of one project guided by Marshall. Once they see how it is done, then without the help of Marshall, they will start many more projects. So we will provide that spark, or we'll be the catalyst which will start this process of low or no cost smart manufacturing in your plant with existing equipment without any investment. So this is our offer, free of cost, if you enroll this week. Now, what is fast track? Fast track means that people who enroll now, we don't wait for the end of the program for them to identify the projects and then select one project per company and then they execute it. Once they enroll, they can present 2 ideas, and then after discussing, they can select one of them. And we will give them a digital workbook, we call it No Cop workbook, with some guidelines. How do you select a project? How do you identify which project, or on which machine or line or wherever you will get maximum value? So that workbook will help you to structure the problem, and then using that workbook, we will find various options of solutions and help you to select the best solution. So we will immediately give you the workbooks early next week once you sign in this week. We will also give you an automatic registration for a free webinar on 26 May on the fundamentals of no cop, or no or low cost smart manufacturing projects. So I come to the end of my presentation and urge you all to enroll today. And now I'm ready to answer your questions. Okay. I have one question from Rohan Devgan. He says that although you have given the overview, could you somehow present us with the curriculum and the timeline with it? Rohan, timeline I have told you is 4 weeks for the online, 1 week each for the each module. So we start with the UMM module on 1st June, and Monday, 1st June is Monday. So Monday is the tutorial, Tuesday is the interaction with the coaches, and Wednesday is the your Wednesday to Friday is your assignment, and Saturday you get the answer of the assignment. And regarding the detailed curriculum, we will, once you register, we will share with you the website Marshall Learning. You can go there, you can have a preview of the curriculum, and you can even see some of the classes and or the subjects being taught. So all that is going to be made available to you through our website marshalllearning.com. Sanjeev Chaudhary has asked, what would be the time duration of each technology if someone wants to attend only UMM? I'm sorry, Sanjeev, you cannot attend only UMM and you miss out the other, because as I said earlier, this is called holistic learning. If you want to really understand geography, you cannot say, I want to understand only India. I don't want to read about the rest of the world. We believe that all these modules are very important, and learning them all together will develop your brain, increase your horizons, widen your horizons, and give you a lot of benefits.